Welcome to another helpful tutorial. If you've ever wanted to make logging into Pinterest easier and more secure, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable Facebook login on the Pinterest app. Everything's updated for the latest version so you can follow along with confidence. First, open the Pinterest app on your smartphone. Make sure you're signed in to your Pinterest account, because you'll need access to your settings. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. That's usually in the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and you'll see your profile page. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll notice a gear icon or 3 dots. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and tap that. Inside settings, you'll find several options, but we're interested in the security features. Scroll down until you see security and tap on it. Depending on your device or the app version, you might see login options right away, or you might need to tap security first to reveal more choices. Either way, keep going until you find login options. Now, within the login options section, you'll see a list of ways you can log into Pinterest. This is where you can manage your login preferences, things like email, phone number, and of course, Facebook. Look for the Facebook option. If you've never connected your Facebook account to Pinterest before, you'll probably see a toggle switch next to Facebook that's turned off. All you have to do is tap the toggle switch to turn the Facebook option on. The app might prompt you to enter your Facebook login details if you're not already signed in on your device. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be all set. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to log into Pinterest using your Facebook account whenever you want. No need to remember a separate password. That's it. Now you can enjoy the convenience of logging into Pinterest with just a few taps, thanks to Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.